Hi, I'm Chandan Halder. I'm from Joynagar. I completed my graduation in 2019 with microbiology honors. So after completing my graduation, I want to join a job definitely related with my field, but there are fewer options, and with government sector, this is a very slow process actually. So for that reason, so during that time, one of my friends suggested me to join a IT related course, because that time actually IT domain is actually booming. So for that reason, I went to NILIT and I enrolled for a A-level course. After joining NILIT, so I realized that they are providing actually theoretical knowledge, but not the practical knowledge to get a job in an IT level company. And after that, the COVID hits, so our class gets stopped, and I need to support my family as soon as possible. So during COVID time, I was doing self-study, but I'm still lacking the practical knowledge. So finally in 2022, I decided for a job-oriented IT training course. So when I'm searching for those related course, so I found Webskitters Academy and I called them. I talked to Anjan sir and he guided me in the whole process. So after that, I enrolled for Mern stack under the guidance of Raju sir. So and there I got all the knowledge and tips and tricks to get a job. And when I stuck into a problem, so I get one-to-one mentorship to solve the problem. So in classroom, classes are done via smart boards, and sir gave us some tasks to implement our practical and analytical skills, and we also did multiple projects and deployed in server. So after completion my course, so Webskitters Academy arranged interview for me, and in interview session, interviewer asked me some conceptual questions and give me a practical task. So after successfully performing that, I got placed into a reputed company, Kotai Electronics Private Limited, and as a React Native developer.